installation space is complete. And what happens now is we've got a guy coming with a machine, and he will be blowing into these spaces above the boards here. This a fine shredded paper, and that will give us enough insulation, completely filling the space above. So I'm looking forward to that. But it's looking kind of industrial right now, that's for sure.
So, good morning everyone. It's Elisa today, and don't you worry, you didn't end up on the wrong channel here, and there won't be any nail polishing. It's just Matt got a day off, and so it's me who will do the heavy work. I hope it's not too heavy, but we'll see. First I'm gonna set up the camera, which is like challenging enough for me. We'll see. I hope you will see something. I got a nice fire going. Okay. And don't forget the coffee machine. To get like this thing turning, like, I don't know, Victor, a little bit, he said. Then have a look if you find if there is water coming. Water supply. Pipe is coming up. Try to scan it there, the bump it with the up there, and that's the machinery, and that's my working place here. So yeah, that's basically it. This sack goes up here and in there. Yep. So hope it's gonna work. And I mean, it's raining now, not nice, but I have it dry under here and it's not too cold, so all good. So that's how it is working. This goes in here into the sack, and that's the material. You see it? That's shredded newspaper, recycled material. Wonderful.
first today. Here we are, Flora and myself. Just finished lunch for the guys. Try to open the door. As Elisa is working today. Now I'm babysitting. She's very busy. So, the beautiful lady feeding the machine.
I did make some nice videos already.
Oh, good.
I hope they're nice.
Yeah, looking cool. Up it goes. And it's very fascinating, isn't it? Yes. If not a bit dusty. So it's looking a little bit different in here now. We've covered up the windows. And the holes for the insulation have been patched. The insulation team did a good job in my absence. Yeah, but it does get a bit cold in October. We're having 4 degree, 5 degree days right now, so stopping the wind blowing through is important. And the other thing we've done now is marked out the floor for the internal walls. And these are going to be the main job when we start again next week. So I'm looking forward to that. See you guys then.